Hi, I'm Joanna Hughes and I'm recording this for the big assembly at the patrons meeting of the Multicultural Apprenticeship Alliance. I'm also the founder and director of Joanna Hughes Solicitor Apprenticeships, a company to help law firms and in-house legal teams introduce the solicitor apprenticeship route to qualification. Before that, I worked for 25 years at a large international law firm as a solicitor and co-led the introduction of solicitor apprenticeships there. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to address 3 myths about the degree-level solicitor apprenticeship programme. Before we do that, I'm going to do a deep dive into the 3 different routes. Level 3 2-year paralegal apprenticeship, the Level 6 Chartered Legal Executive Apprenticeship, and there's also the Graduate Apprenticeship, a way to qualify for graduates by completing SQE1 and SQE2. So, deep dive on the solicitor apprenticeship route, the 6-year programme. Myth 1. The solicitor apprenticeship route does not have the same prestige as more traditional routes to becoming a solicitor. I know from conversations with the very biggest law firms in the city, it is absolutely the same prestige. Indeed, something really exciting is happening in 2023 with city law firms around solicitor apprenticeships. A very large number of city law firms are collaborating together to increase the number of solicitor apprenticeships available in the city and to create the best possible solicitor apprenticeship routes. There is much excitement in the city, in my generation at the moment, about the potential of this route into the profession, particularly because we will see there are lots and lots of benefits for the solicitor apprenticeships for employers as well as the employees. To take 3 examples. 1, diversifying their legal talent, including the age, which brings innovation and diversity of thought. 2, opening up interesting conversations with clients. And 3, of course, use of the apprenticeship levy, which I think gets unused and wasted at quite a lot of law firms. Okay, myth 2. You won't have the same opportunities to become a qualified solicitor at the law firm where you train. Wrong. Many of the biggest law firms have signed a pledge which guarantee that isn't the case. Norton Rose Fulbright launched a UK Solicitor Apprenticeships pledge, and they guarantee that that will be the case. Myth 3. City law firms have a London opportunities only, which are open to people who live in London only. Again, wrong. Several of the London law firms are working really hard to make sure their opportunities are advertised to students outside London through specialist organisations who work with schools. Law firms are also thinking really carefully about what help they need to provide example advice on where to live and what to do, where to look. And city law firms are really keen to attract a talent from around the country. Significant efforts are being put into this and will continue to be put into this. And of course, employers should continue to use the Multicultural Apprenticeships Alliance. Thank you.